Hello guys, and welcome back to
This is my Thomas and
Zaki video, and Zach has to say something. Look, show them your Thomas minis. Let me see one. Here's little mini Percy underwater, and then here is this Ashima.
No, a Nia.
Guys, comment down below if she's a Shima or Mia. I think it's a Shima, don't you?
Mia.
And she's underwater too. And then here's a way. Wait, they both were the same, guys. Guys, we just noticed this.
But not
this one was the same. This one is the big one. Big Mia Arashima, and this one is the little Mia Arashima. We just noticed that, right, Zach?
I have to get a Shima. I have to get a Shima. Like,
we were just watching the Thomas video, right?
Yeah. We were watching the Great Railway Show.
Yeah, if y'all saw the Great Railway Show, comment down below. It was great.
That's what onions ways.
And here is that, and here is this, guys. Right there. Those are all yours. This one is mine.
But just say it if they can go fast on them. I saw the Great...
Today Zach's gonna make another video, aren't you?
Can we watch the Great Railway Show now?
Okay. Look at Thomas pulling their minis.
They fit on it. But they get off when you do that.
Hey guys, we're gonna make a hide and seek video later on, right, Zach?
Yeah.
So we're gonna play hide and seek. Okay, bye. Bye guys. Hope you subscribe.
Watch the Great Railway